Never.
Okay, we're going to try this experiment.
Oh boy.
Egg in a bowl. Paper towel over top so it doesn't make a huge mess in the microwave.
Don't put it on Facebook. Mama will.
Yeah, don't tell anyone.
We're supposed to
Alright.
keep it secret.
Try what, a minute? 2 minutes? No, yeah, 2 minutes?
Don't tell Mom.
Don't even put it on Facebook or she's gonna. She's not.
Well, people gotta know. It won't be the first time we've gotten in trouble.
Yeah, but we'll be.
But we're doing paper towel though, so it won't be a problem.
She'll be saying, "Why didn't you tell Dad not to do it?"
I think it's gonna explode soon.
No, not for a while. I think it wants to go over a minute.
Just eat.
You can choose what. Not burn.
Whoa!
A minute? Wow, that took 45 seconds.
It.
This is why we put paper towel over it. So it doesn't explode like that.
Pour egg.
I thought it was gonna explode like yolk.
So who wants hard-boiled egg?
I thought the yolk was gonna go.
And there's the time it took. 45 seconds.
I
On
thought
2 minutes.
I thought yolk was gonna explode
No.
everywhere.
No, we put paper towel to, to make less mess.
It made a mess still.
But not as bad as it would have. If we wouldn't have put paper towel on, it would have been worse.
Yow.
There you have it.
Mom's gonna kill us. Help us, whoever's watching this.
The egg just got.
You know what she's going to do? She's going to be like, oh, come on, guys, and shake her head.
She's
That's what she's gonna do.
gonna explode when she sees that.